Let the fire blaze. Yes. Let the fire blaze. Come on. Set your life on fire and seek those that fan your flames. I'm talking to the trailblazers today. I refuse to surround myself with the lukewarm. You cannot acquiesce to average if you are going to blaze trails that never before existed. Set your life on fire and seek those that fan your flames. When I was getting ready this morning, I have a full book of coaching per usual. So I got to drop it like it's hot and don't stop. But I began to think about one of the dilemmas of women. They are constantly apologizing for their awesomeness. They're constantly apologizing for no good reason, just saying, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. And I begin to think, I wonder if they really know what that sounds like, whether that's in your personal or professional life. Let's role play. I'm sorry for being beautiful. I'm sorry for being in love with the man of my dreams. I'm sorry for having a successful career. I'm sorry for being confident. I'm sorry for all of this fabulousness. I'm just so sorry that I show up early, not on time, but early. I'm sorry that I do everything with a spirit of excellence. I am sorry that I'm intelligent. I'm sorry that my body looks amazing. I'm sorry, 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 sorry. It sounds ludicrous, doesn't it? So on today, I want to challenge you. Make no apologies for your elevation. Make zero apologies, because only you know the difficulties that you've endured. Only you know the personal sacrifices that you made. So instead of shrinking into sorry land, how about you ascend to the winner's stand? Can we do that today? Can we do that today? Ascend to the winner's stand and strut your stuff. It's Fabulous Friday. Keep the fire blazing and stay away from those who seek to blow out your flame.